Hi guys, it's a top knot kind of day today. I'm still recovering from the lurgy, but I am getting there, feeling a bit better every single day. Today is another new box for my channel. This month has been a big new box kind of month, and it is Glossy Box. Now I've never had Glossy Box before, at least I don't think so. No, I definitely haven't. I haven't had Glossy Box before, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. My name's Fawn. My channel's Fawn Figures It Out, because I'm figuring out tons and tons of things, and mostly I'm figuring out what it feels like to have friends, and it's pretty superb. So if you like me and the sort of things I do and feel like sticking around, please do subscribe, please give me a thumbs up. Most of all, send me a comment. I do love a good comment. Anyway, let's get to it. So Glossy Box is all over the internet, it would appear. But somehow I was oblivious of it for the longest time. I've just had to undo it. And, oh, and inside, you can tell I haven't had it before. Inside that black box is a really pretty pink box. And I've thrown leaflets all over the place. Let me just grab them. And the leaflets inside are Wild, a natural deodorant with a discount code, 20% off. What is this? This is a free box from Grays. And another little leaflet that says Wishful Yo Glow, gentle sample effective. Maybe I've dropped whatever it was meant to be. I won't worry about it. You see today? Love it. Right, let's dig in to beautiful pink box. Oh, and it's beautifully wrapped inside. Look at that. With the bow. And sticker. And what's in here? Now, I don't know if this one gives you leaflets with prices. It doesn't look like it. So this is a lesson learned for next time around. Oh my goodness, I've just spotted some chocolate. Look at that. It is a Lindor Irresistibly Smooth Milk Chocolate Bar. Anything sweet at the moment is winning my heart. I think it's having the cold. That's what I'm putting it down to. But, you know. Okay, so next time I'm going to have to look things up and be able to tell you what everything is properly. So first up is an Avant hyaluronic acid. Oh, hyaluronic with vitamin C. It's a duo moisturizer. That is nice. That is very nice. I like Avant products. Let's just see. Oh, it's got the tape on it. Well, I don't want to open too many things, because you know these things go off, don't they, before you get a chance to use them. And I have got a hyaluronic on the go at the moment. So I'm going to put it to one side. Ah, that's the Wishful Glow. Right, where did I put that bit of paper? So this one actually does have an explanation. Gentle Simple, it's an enzyme scrub. Oh, I say. So it's an enzyme scrub for your face. It's supposed to bring out your youthful glow. So try it. Okay. Mind Tan Coffee Scrub, an exfoliating coffee scrub. It's a prep and prime for before you do your fake tanning. I would argue with this being, unless this is August spots and there's a mistake going on here. I mean, September, we're not really fake tanning so much over here. The sun has gone. That says wake up your skin. So I'll give it a go. Next is Intensive Skin Therapy Ameliorate. Smooth Skin Science. And last but not least, Imperial Leather Foam Burst, which would be a shower foam. Yeah, that is it. Okay. Do I sound underwhelmed? I'm not underwhelmed. I'm not underwhelmed. I just, yeah, I mean, it's a travel size shower mousse foam burst. I remember when foam burst first came out, I would have been, oh gosh, you know, about 16, something like that. And I remember that it was mine in the shower, and my brother, who was younger than me, 3.5 years younger than me, would persist in spraying the foam everywhere. It used to make me livid because, you know, it was my special foam burst. The Yo Glow enzyme, which has like no information on it at all. Let me just have another look. It's a pineapple enzyme and papaya enzyme, AHA and a BHA, made in South Korea. Any more information on here? No, it's got all the ingredients. Yeah. The Avant hyaluronic with vitamin C, jojoba oil, water. That looks like it might be a good product. The Ameliorate with alpha hydroxy therapy, suitable for children over 3. It's for extremely dry areas. Apply a thick layer and allow the treatment to work while you sleep. Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? The coffee scrub. And the chocolate bar. So that was that. I'm not sure about this one actually. That was a bit of a damp squib, I think, for me. Maybe it's because there isn't enough information about it. Maybe it's because I've just recently been opening some absolutely amazing boxes. Oh, take your glasses off, woman. You know, maybe I'm sort of a bit jaded because I've opened some amazing boxes recently. And this one has not quite stood up to the others. But it's the first time of having this box, so I shouldn't rush to judge, should I? Just because the products in it this month didn't set my heart on fire, they may be absolutely perfect for somebody else, and next month may be perfect for me. So yeah, I'm going to try not to judge that one too quickly. Again, I'm going to look at the price in the bottom, you know, in my description box. I'm getting a little bit better with my description box, ladies, have you noticed? I don't think I've got any referral codes. I mean, I'm really new to YouTube, and some really sweet people have said, you know, have you got a referral code? No, they wouldn't give one to me. If I do ever find a referral code, of course I will stick it in the box. But in the meantime, I'm just having fun and sharing my fun with you. And that one was Glossy Box. Anyway, I'm off. I don't know quite what I'm going to do today. Well, I'm going to eat that chocolate bar, that's for sure. And chill out, because I'm in the recovery phase. Okay, guys. Bye.